Okay, hey, so welcome back to my channel. Back in my workshop now, everything's settled back down again. Trying out the new Sony. Interested to see what the microphone on the top of the camera works like. It looks like I've got good audio bars on the screen there, so I'm quite happy with that. I've got this little new Pinion gear that I want to replace this broken one here. Looks like everything's the right size. If I put it on there, I can see that the shaft diameter is correct. So I'm going to go through the process of swapping this one out, and we'll see how we go with the new gear in there. Now, I've broken a few of these before. It really comes down to the temper, the material. I think this last one actually looks like a pretty crappy cast iron thing that's been destroyed. There's the teeth. I'm just going to put them up there for later investigation. But yeah, it was pretty cruddy. There's still more teeth here. They've been everywhere. I don't know if you can see that. That's one of the teeth. They just sheared off. There's like one left, and when it was spinning around, it was going clunk, 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 clunk. So that all looks like it's still working. I need one of those pliers for undoing the circlip. I don't actually know if I've got any of those here. Hang about for a sec while I check. I don't think I do. I think they're left over from when I was working on the truck gearbox. So I am going to use the scribe, and you can watch me jam it in my finger, probably is what's going to happen. Apologies for this. I probably should have got some of these things ready beforehand. Actually, I don't know what's happened to my proper scribe, so I've got my modified welding rod here, and I will see. That's not going to work, I don't think. No, unfortunately I'm going to need the circlip pliers, I think, for this to come off. It doesn't have, oh yes it does, here we go. Now the next bit that's going to happen is, if you look in I don't know if you can see if there's high enough resolution, there's a keyway in there, which means I can actually get the screwdriver underneath it, and there you go. Easy. One circlip. External circlip. Put that over there. So, now, pull this off. Woodroof key. Actually, it's not a woodroof key, it's a standard key that's in there. Yep. And here is, I don't know if you can see that, I think it's focusing okay, the single tooth left on that cog. Pretty funny actually. See how we go now. Put this on here. Now it did fit on there nicely before, but it doesn't want to right now. Why doesn't it want to? I'm going to slide out the keyway, I think, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to put that on there, and got a little hammer. Let's see how we go with this. There we go. The keyway is giving us a bit of a problem. I'm going to pop that out. Don't want to lose it. Put it down from that end. And oh, there you go. Now, I know it fell down here in all the swarf and stuff, and I probably should just get a magnet and look for it. It'll be just here. I saw it go down. But the magnet's going to pick up all the iron swarf as well down here. So, but anyway, I'll get that in a minute, because I've got more of those. see if this goes on. That's 8mm. It should. Ah, there we go. Awesome. And yeah, you look there, you can see the right there, the keyway has lined up nicely in there. I'm going to keep going down until we clear the spot for the clip. Right, now, just got to find my key. Just got a magnet from the other room, and put it around here and see what happened to that. That's rather interesting. I saw it go clunk just down here. Got metal swarf. I don't even remember what I've been machining that's got so much iron on it. I don't do much here at the moment. I literally heard it go clunk down here. I mean, wasn't I joking that it's going to go fine and I'm going to lose something? I heard it go clunk and then it disappeared. Well, I think I'm going to have to end the video there and find out what happened to my key for that slot. It's a bit sad. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back again. Found the little bugger. There he is. He was right there, but the magnet wouldn't pick him up. I ended up spotting him. I don't know, it definitely is magnetic. Now, that's the really funny thing. Now I've lost the magnet. I'd show you. Maybe it's not magnetic. Maybe something else weird is going on here. Oh, there. Yeah, it is sort of magnetic. I mean, it's stuck on there, but yeah, weird. Anyway, some weird alloy. Get that guy into the slot. There we go. And see if not to lose him this time. Need that will do nicely. A little metal punch here that I can run. I just realised I thought it was a 5mm hardened steel press rod thing, but just looked to one end, it's actually broken tungsten carbide cutter. Anyway, so that's on now. Circlip. Get the circlip back on, and we should. There we go. Would have been nice if I had the I don't know if that's quite on yet. A bit more of a tap. Now the magnet's stuck to my hammer. That's funny. Right, circlip's on now. That's good. If you can see that there, that's all back on and together. So, I suppose I'll put a smidge of grease on there, and if I remember what I did with the grease. Actually, I don't think I've got the grease here, have I? Don't think I've got the grease here, so I'm not going to bother. No, I'll have to do that for another day. There's plenty of grease in here. I'm just going to wipe that off there and smear on. Actually, there's tons of grease in here from the last time I did this. it all got sprayed off. So there we go. Put that on there, and let's see what it fit. Oh, that works. Awesome. Get these Allen screws back in here. It's another interesting question. There should be 4 at least here. What happened to the 4th one? Oh, there it is. And I think I packed them all up, so I don't actually have the Allen key. It's been like 3 weeks since I've done this. So here we go. Right, so we're nearly back and got it all back together again. I mean, it was an easy fix. It's good that you can order these things from AliExpress. I mean, I wonder how long this one's going to last. I probably should have ordered 2. I think next time I break it, I'll order 2 or 3. I have been considering converting this to the belt drive to make it quieter, but I just haven't got around to thinking about doing that. There's a kit online for about 2,000 US, I mean 200 US, which by the time it gets here costs me nearly as much as this mill cost me when I bought it. It was 490 Aussie dollars, because it was an older model, but it had the bigger bed, and yeah, and it was local too. I didn't have to pay shipping from interstate, which was really good. I think somebody bought it and then bought a few of them and wasn't able to sell them, so got it pretty well cost, I reckon. So yeah, I didn't want to spend that much for a belt drive, and I've thought about machining some stuff up, and now that it's going, I probably should NC up the mounts and just do it properly with a 10mm or a 15mm belt drive. Okay, so I haven't put the NC stuff back on, but I should be able to, yes, power, we got light. Not sure. Here we go. I mean, if you want to see, that down there is the fly cutter that I've been running on this thing. So believe it or not, that gear actually is quieter than the one I had in here before, so I'm quite happy with that. Oops. nearly got the USB drive then, but yeah, that's high, is it? And that's low. I'll probably run on low. It should hopefully mean there's less impact loading on that gear. So cool. Thanks for watching. If you like this, yeah, hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot. Trying to grow this channel, so it might have been a little bit boring. I'm sorry if it was. Fast forward to the boring bits. I'll keep doing a few more of these things. Next thing I'm going to do is the magnetic springy bed for the 3D printer. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.